going to be using the Take Me to Brazil palette and the Morphe 35O. We're going to go in with that bone color for transition on both eyes. Mind you that both eyes are going to be two different colors, so maybe that's why I'll take a little bit longer. First, we're going to go in with that reddish orange-y color. That's the closest thing I had to the color red. It's kind of hard to find red eyeshadows. And also I used tape for the first time ever to do my makeup, which made a huge difference in my makeup. And I was just so shook. And you were gonna, well, actually y'all already seen how it looks. But yeah, you're gonna be shook. So I suggest using tape if you want something really sharp and crisp. And I feel like this was one of the looks that needed it because it's so colorful. Then you're gonna go in with that bright ass orange, and then the Tarte Shape Tape. Whatever color concealer you use is your preference. And basically it's kind of like a half cut crease, because usually cut creases you're going to conceal with you're gonna conceal before you do the eyeshadow. So I kind of want to say that it's kind of a half cut crease thing. I like to do that just so I know where to blend and like kind of break up the colors. And basically with the red and the outer eye, you're just gonna keep on going back and forth to make the color more bright and more pigmented. Then you're gonna go in with the orange in the middle of the eye. It's kind of hard to get the color. I don't know why certain colors were kind of hard to pick up. I don't know if it's because of the concealer under or what. I would think it would make it brighter, but I don't know. A girl was having issues, so you're just gonna keep pat, and then you're gonna go back and forth with the red so it doesn't lose the color. So then you're gonna keep on going and patting the orange to make it bright. And you also want to be able you want the colors to mix and blend with each other. You don't want sharp ass lines like red, orange, yellow. So then you're gonna go in with the yellow on the top and then the yellow on the bottom right there. You're gonna pat that in the inner corner, and like I said, blending is key, y'all. So then you're gonna keep on patting that yellow. Just keep it pat it in and try to kind of blend the yellow and the orange together. Not too much to where it makes like a different color, but you want it to be able to blend in with one another. So you, like I said, you don't want any sharp, harsh lines on your eyeshadow. That's the worst thing, and I feel like that's the most problems that like girls have when it comes to eyeshadow, is they don't know how to blend it. You blend until your fucking wrist is not even attached to your arm. So then you're gonna go in with that dark, almost kind of like a navy blue, and you're gonna use that also. First you're gonna use the bone color that we use on the Morphe 35O palette, and then you're gonna go in with the Take Me to Brazil palette, use that blue kind of like as another transition color. Basically what you did with the red color, you're gonna do with this color. And then I went under the eye and used some of that red, and then you're gonna go back in with the Shape Tape, and you are going to just cut the crease, basically half cut crease, and shape it. Take your time with it, don't get sloppy. You want it to be perfect, you want the colors to blend right, you don't want to see the cut crease and make it all weird. And yeah, so then you're gonna go in with that baby blue color in a minute in the middle, like middle color, just like we did for the orange. And like I said, you're gonna keep on buffing out that navy blue and kind of like poking at it to make it darker. Then you're gonna get the baby blue and just pat it all over the eyelid in the middle, because we're going basically from like darkest to light, the lightest color, as you can tell. In the other eye, the other left eye with the red, orange, and yellow, basically we're gonna go in with dark blue, baby blue, and then green. I did get this look from another Instagram makeup artist. I want to say her name is Leo Makeup Studio or something like that. What's her name? Where's she at? It is, yeah, Leo's Makeup Studio. So you guys should follow her. I did a recreation of her look, and I just love this look so much. I recently received my EDC package in the mail, which I'll be doing a video about that, and the box kind of gave me some inspiration also. And then when I seen that look, I felt like it was necessary. So then you're gonna do the under eye. Basically with the under eye, you're gonna do the same thing that you did with the top of the eye. You're gonna go from the darkest to the lightest with the under eye to kind of make it all blend within each other, and it gives it a cool look, because you don't want, like, you have to have under eye something. So I figured use the colors with it. And then you're just going to go in with that orange again. Okay, and then once you get that yellow, you're just gonna, like I said, blend it all together. Then you're gonna go in with the mascara, whatever mascara is your preference. I use the Bare Minerals. I said Minerals. Bare Minerals Lash Domination Volumizing Mascara. Then you're just gonna put some lashes on. I use Miss Lady lashes. They're from the Beauty Supply. I don't know what number. Then you're gonna use the Wet n Wild highlighter, whatever highlighter is your preference. I just wanted something that is going to be blinding because the eye's already extra, so might as well be extra. Then I went in with the La Prairie lip liner to outline my lips. Since your eye is so crazy, you want to go with a softer lip. If you want, you can go all in, sis, and just, be out there, chase the rainbow. But I wanted to soften the look up. Then you're going to go with the NYX or NYX Lingerie Matte Lip. And I will put the item descriptions down below because I don't remember the name at the moment. Then you're going to go in with this bomb ass Fenty Beauty lip gloss. That is my go-to lip gloss. I love this lip gloss so much. Then you're going to do the Milani Make It Dewy setting spray and voila. Okay, hey guys, so that is the end of my EDC inspired / recreation that I did. I love this so much, and I got so much reaction from you guys about this freaking makeup look. Like, everybody was shooketh. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, turn on the notification bell because y'all know what's up. And then I'm going to be traveling soon next month. I'm going to EDC, so that's why my eyes were inspired by it. And look at my top, it's so cute. And I also wanted to say mention, look at my background. Even though it's all creased, I should have ironed it. I'm sorry, y'all. Okay, I didn't get to record my foundation or freaking bronzer. Oh my god, I did so freaking amazing this time. It makes me so mad because my skin looks flawless AF. And it just makes me mad because like my camera was dying. It was like on 10% or something like that, and then it turned off once because it said it was overheating. Like always, it's always the temperature. Something's wrong with the temperature. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this creative look. Tag me in your looks if you ever recreate one of my looks, if you happen to be inspired or just want to recreate it. My little buns are just kind of, I don't know, when I think of festival looks, I think of buns. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.